the typical
All the super.
part is they were thinking, and I'm God's child.
Okay.
Krishna's avatar.
Okay, that's
So
great.
that was
He's a cartoonist, an illustrator, a graphic designer, and a journalist. He'll be turning 53 on October 12th. He's born in Jamshedpur. He started sketching at the age of 3, which is like unbelievable. He loves car, is a commerce graduate, and Odisha's heart. Kamla Kantarath. Friends fondly call him KK Bhai. Sir, welcome to the channel. Thank you so very much for your time. And please,
Yeah, I'm
how are
good.
you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing trying to
Great,
do what I
great,
can.
great. Same here. It's been 6 months, almost going to be
Yeah,
6 months now.
exactly.
Staying indoor.
I was reading about you and I came across a headline which said cartooning
Mm.
away the blues. So I want you to start with that, cartooning away the blues.
Well, we have many things uh, which we come across. Well, there are many shortcomings in that life we face, and what we do as cartoonists, we just paint those shortcomings in our work, but with a touch of humor, with a humor. So when we are
Yes, sir.
dealing with some
Mm,
issues, so we present it before the audience with humor, adding humor in it, so
okay.
that whatever the incident happens, I mean, say for example, right now we are going through this corona pandemic. Okay,
Yes,
there are
yes,
many
sir.
things happening, and it's today if you open up the social media, it's very sad. You feel sad to read that, oh, so and so has died, so and so has died. And I mean, every day when you open up, you have to write 6 or 7 condolence messages. So that's a very sad part. But this corona, taking corona, we have drawn many cartoons on it. Okay, we are putting it in our pen, in our
Before we
paper.
start and delve into your personal or professional life, I want to inform, or like not many know that you are a person with disability. Please talk through your journey with dwarfism because there are physical challenges, there are mental challenges as well. Because sometimes physical problem is not that a big a problem, but the mental challenge that comes with it
Yeah,
is very big.
yeah. Initially, when I was a child, so there was a big question in my family, my father and mother, that how he will go to the school, how he will attend the school. I'm achondroplasia dwarf. It is a congenital thing. By born, I am dwarf.
Yes, sir.
So, so family knew from the very beginning. By beginning, even I was born in hospital. My mother said she only had the chance to meet me by only the feeding time,
Okay.
and people used to carry me all around the hospital. And I was when people who used to look at me, they were
Okay.
offering pujas.
Listen,
And
the
the
fun
fun
part.
part is they were thinking, and I'm God's child. I
Yeah,
mean,
okay.
I'm Krishna's avatar.
Okay, that's
So
great.
that was so I was busy even in hospital also when I was born. Even my education came, question of my education came,
Mhm.
my parents were a little worried.
Okay.
So they sent me to a school, which was very costly school, because you see, I come from a middle class family.
Mhm.
Okay, we are 8 siblings.
Okay.
So all my brothers and sisters,
Mhm.
all almost all have been educated in the vernacular school.
Okay.
Okay, but
Yes, sir.
my father, since the school was near to my house,
Mhm.
I was admitted in that school.
Mhm.
Um, yes, initially, even when I was a child in schools, my people used to tease me. Somebody, I mean, then all when they see some unnatural thing, so somebody teases you. They call all different names.
Yes, sir.
Then somebody pushes
Mhm.
you.
Mhm.
Somebody, all those things happens.
So you.
So people laugh at you.
Mhm.
So those days I was feeling bad.
Okay.
I was feeling bad.
Mhm.
But then as I grew up, I started. I mean, uh, I took it as a part of my life. Okay,
Yeah.
I took it in the positive side,
Mhm.
um, and never thought is that they are teasing me. I won't go to
School
school.
friends. Mhm.
I mean, my school friends are an important part of my life.
Okay.
Even today, also I am connected
Mhm.
with them,
Mhm.
and they love me like anything.
That's great.
So that was, I mean, when I came to the high school level,
Yeah.
I was more keen to go to school, even in when the rainy day and all.
Mhm.
I am there
Mm.
in nearby. Then you can, madam, what will be the questions, probable questions?
Yes.
So that was so those days I make it a point that I am there in
So,
those days. Yeah,
yeah.
present in those.
Because in when there's less attendance, that is the day when you can ask all the
Yeah,
important questions. Okay.
yeah,
Can relate that you're very positive in attitude. Like initially, it might be very difficult. Of course, it is,
yes.
and one has to go through all the bullies and everything to just put yourself up. But
I'll tell
so
you one incident in my college life.
yes, sir,
I'll
please.
tell you one incident.
Mm-hmm.
As I first day in my college, as I entered the college campus, people started walking along with me.
Hmm.
One, two, three, four. Arey, arey. Then what all the small man, all this Bhavan
Hmm.
and all this
Hmm.
just started shouting. Then I find that entire college is behind me, and
Hmm.
I'm the first. I'm leading them.
Wow,
So
you're a leader.
I mean,
You're the leader then.
so
Yeah.
yeah. So
That.
I just went into the class, and when
Hmm.
the class, the lecturer came,
Hmm.
and he asked me that
Hmm.
who were the boys who were creating problem for you.
Hmm.
I didn't say anything.
Okay.
I said this is the first day, and
Hmm.
how can I name anybody?
Okay. So.
And then as you know, in school, during school,
Hmm.
I it was I have faced so many times early life part of my
Hmm.
life, so it wasn't a
Will it
big
be right to
issue
ask
for me
if the
then.
pain is still alive somewhere, some days, some Saturdays it hurts and comes back in phases and disturbs you? Does it happen?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, still the stigma is there. I
Hmm.
mean, people,
Yeah.
even if you see, I'm in this profession for the last 30 years or
Hmm.
more.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even I started my career from when I was in college. I think people don't take me seriously. Had it
Okay.
been, I would have been a normal man.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe people would have taken me seriously, and
Okay.
maybe I would have been in a better place
How
there.
is
But
so? How is your relationship with God then? Because is there self acceptance, or you are not? You're still trying to love yourself. Is that a case with you? How is your relationship with God?
no, no, I'm enjoying my life now.
Mm-hmm.
I thank God whatever He has, the way He has sent
Hmm.
me in this world.
Hmm.
I think He must be having some motive behind it. So,
Yeah, definitely.
so you see, all this thing happened. Even when I was a child,
Hmm.
I never thought that I will be a cartoonist. And it all of a sudden there was a turning point,
Hmm.
and that turning point brought me into this profession. And
Yeah.
so it's all God's will, you see.
Great.
Till now
Mm-hmm.
I have not applied for my physical handicap certificate.
Okay, that is great. Yeah.
I am living like a normal
Yes, sir.
human
Yes,
being,
sir. And there is
as
no
you.
such thing like normal and abnormal. I think it's all just in the head, and the ignorance
Yeah.
of a ignorance of a man that tells differentiates a person as normal and abnormal. Because I don't think your physical appearance does that. It's your work that speaks, and that should be the line of difference, and not your physical appearance or physical
Yes,
problems.
I tell you, if I would have not into this cartooning
Hmm.
profession,
Hmm.
you won't have called me, sir. I want to do an interview with you,
Exactly, sir. Yes, sir.
isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. I remember you also said that we don't want to be looked with pity, but as equals. And this is a very good
Yes,
example that you just said that I would not have called you for an interview if you were not a cartoonist. So work speaks. That was great. Um,
yes,
you
yeah,
were talking about the turning point of your life, and which happens to be you were in college and also badly ill, but you took that time and started sketching,
yeah,
which eventually turned into was
yeah, yeah,
published into City Consumer, and then you got your first
yeah,
job
yeah,
at Sun Times, and now working with Pratinidhi. So the journey has been long.
yes.
It's been 29, 28 years. You just said 30. So how has the professional progress been?
I
Did you
started
face problems?
early,
Because,
but you see, the profession in which I am nowadays. Earlier, when I started
hmm,
during those time, people were giving important. I mean, the newspapers
hmm,
or magazines,
hmm,
especially those time, the print media was very popular.
yeah,
Electronic media was not as
yeah,
popular. Only
mm-hmm.
Doordarshan was there.
Yes,
There
sir.
was no multi channels,
Hmm,
so multiple channels. Only Doordarshan was there. So,
hmm,
but those time, newspapers and magazines were quite popular, and there was a lot of importance given to cartoons.
Mm-hmm.
Now what the scenario has changed.
Change, of course.
Now people, I mean, the newspaper, they calculate each paper in terms of money,
Okay.
advertisement. Advertisement they get.
Yeah.
So if they are giving this space for cartoon,
Mm-hmm.
it won't give much money to them.
Yeah.
Okay, they
Mm-hmm.
would give some news
Mm.
that will help them earn money for
Okay.
money out of it. But
Mm-hmm.
now it is the scenario is now it is now more of a business
Yeah. Approach.
organization
Yeah.
newspaper
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
approach, and everything are valued in terms of
Money. Yeah.
money they will
Yeah.
earn.
Yes, sir.
Even in electronic media,
Mm-hmm.
you can very well understand that
Yes,
these
sir.
things are happening.
Actually, I was going to ask you this later on, that earlier in newspapers we only used to have little column, just a small space given to cartoons like of
Hmm.
Lakshman, and then suddenly there has been an increase in electronic media and Instagram, Tumblr, everywhere it is
Hmm.
filled with illustrations and cartoons, and everyone is exchanging their lives in terms of cartoon. So has it been easier or difficult for you as a journalist or as a cartoonist?
Yes,
And how is it
yes.
going to be easy? Is it going to be easy for this generation? Because they have a lot of medium, but then there's a lot of people also who are trying and who are better than one another. So competition wise, so how is it, easier or difficult?
You see, with this social media coming into our life, it has brought a lot of changes. I was almost when out of this profession, and I was trying my hands in graphic designing or print making and all those things. Um, and so there was not no opportunity for me to display my cartoons in newspapers or magazines, because most of them they don't want to use their space for cartoons and magazines and cartoons. Uh, but where this social
Media.
media, when they came, like Facebook, they
Hmm.
gave a new life to me,
Hmm.
and they brought me back again to my profession.
Hmm.
And when I displayed my cartoons in Facebook,
Hmm.
people started
Yeah.
recalling my work, and
Hmm.
then then some newspaper people came to me. They asked for
Okay.
contributing cartoons again, and
So
the life has started once again. And
okay.
I give full credit to Facebook.
Okay. So digital media is helping the lost artist in
Yes,
some way.
yes. And now it has also created another opportunity.
Hmm.
This electronic media,
Hmm.
the cartoons are now in animation film.
Hmm.
This whatever we are doing it in one frame,
Hmm.
and but those things are being shown in an animated film also,
Hmm. Yes.
and that is more widely accepted, and
Hmm. Hmm.
people love it. And that is the new trend, where many people can come in, and it gives a new
Hmm.
area to
Hmm. Hmm.
explore.
Okay, so when we're talking about visualization and visuals, I remember we talked. There was a discussion on visual arts not having enough representations, not having appropriate representation of people with disability, and there was like we need to change our perception. Then again, the game of perception comes in and representation comes in. Have had it been represented well on screen, I think people would have understood better, because somewhere ignorance comes in, and a person with disability is given the role of a villain.
Yeah, yeah. Till now, the way this people with physical disability have been represented in films and all,
Hmm.
either they have been shown in negative characters, or a character who is very helpless. People feel pity on them.
Yes.
Never been shown as a successful man,
Hmm.
a hero.
Yes, sir.
If a person like I mean, with physical disability
Hmm.
uh, can be it's not can be
Hmm.
many of them, they are heroes
Hmm.
of their in their society, or there are many people who have achieved even a normal man could not have achieved. So
Yes. Hmm.
even in our illustrations, even in whenever we talk about anything,
Hmm.
we show a situation, we never have a person with a physical disability in that scene.
Hmm.
We have never shown them. We should have we should always show inclusive society.
Yeah.
We are also a part of the society, and we
Yes, sir.
should be
Mhm.
properly shown in the
Represented. Yeah.
society. We should
Yeah.
be so that people will accept
Mm-hmm.
as on human being as equal participation will be there
Yes, sir.
in every field. It
So,
not today we feel like when we see his films
mm,
or we see any other pictures or in the media, we
mm.
feel like we are left out.
Speaking of it, I remember there was a movie called Koi Mil Gaya in which Hrithik Roshan was firstly
Mm.
mentally not. His character was not portrayed as a
Mm-hmm.
mentally fit person, but then when
Mm.
Jadoo comes into his life, he turns into suddenly a
Yes.
different hero. So yes,
Mm.
the visual aspect that we're talking about is right, that there is no proper representation and there's also lack of representation into it. So one thing that if any person from cinema is watching this should consider, and maybe this aspect of uh, filmmaking or visualization needs a drastic change. So having said
Mm.
that, that also brings me to a question: is disability a sin? Is being a disabled in India a sin? uh, Specifically in Indian context, because of our ignorance, because of our not being okay with it. If a person is born with it, or if a person becomes disabled, as anyone can become in a matter of minute.
So it varies from person to person or from family to family.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, mm, because like when a disabled boy is born, or nobody is happy about it. First thing is that born,
Mm-hmm.
he is not so much accepted.
Okay.
Then the parents thinks, I mean, they blame their fate, and all those things comes.
Mm-hmm.
Then the family says you must have committed some sin,
Mm.
some पाप किया होगा,
Yes,
तो
sir.
इसलिए
Yes.
you have given, God has given you this child. Lot of stigma is there, but I believe gradually things are changing.
Mm.
People, the society is society is gradually accepting
Mm-hmm.
PWD.
Mm.
People don't give a look when I'm walking on the road, or
Mm-hmm.
they don't give much attention to me, which used to get earlier in my
Mm.
childhood. So
Mm.
little complex is there now. Childhood, I
Okay.
now feel the childhood are better than today. The people are not noticing me.
Okay. Okay. So another positive outlook to it. Uh, so, anyway, so I was wanting to ask. Let's move to some non-serious
Hmm.
conversation. I was wanting to ask you about Jamshedpur because you're born in Jamshedpur. I'm sure
Yeah,
people watching this must be interested in knowing about that life. Have you stayed there for a longer period?
yeah. I did my schooling from
Okay.
Jamshedpur,
Okay.
and after that, my father got retirement,
Okay.
so he has to come back to Odisha, and we settled
Okay.
down in Odisha. I did my college in Odisha at
Mm-hmm.
Bhubaneswar, and
Do you remember anything special from Jamshedpur? Do you visit there?
so yeah, yeah. Years back, I was there. Where we had a get together of our friends and all. It's a small city, but
Mm-hmm.
very developed city and
Mm-hmm.
very beautiful city.
Yes. I want to
Mm.
ask you for a quick advice for those who have started with cartooning, those who are wanting to start with cartooning, and then will
Cartoon. The
progress
most
ahead.
important thing is that people say that drawing doesn't matter in cartooning.
Mm-hmm.
You just scribble and what people the man may look like a man or may not look like a man, but
Okay.
people laugh.
Mm-hmm.
But I would say in a cart to become a good cartoonist, you should be good in drawing also. Your drawing should be better because in cartoon, we work with expressions.
Mm-hmm.
Different the expressions work. I mean, the expressions work. So
Mm-hmm.
if you master that part, I mean, you can show the expressions in our drawing, in your drawing. So that makes your message clear to the
Mm-hmm.
audience. Plus, the two parts in
Okay.
cartoon, one is drawing and one is humor.
Okay.
These two things should be there.
And sir, I also believe there should be some observation, as you do a lot, because your works are inspired by society, politics, and in general the everything that's going around. Plus, you're also very much into making fun of yourself, which I think is very important when you are cartooning. To the ability to laugh at yourself, because we get offended very soon.
So my principle is that because I love to make my cartoon in different forms, figures, and all.
Hmm.
I explore that
Hmm.
rather than laughing at others. if you laugh at yourself, I think life would be more fun,
Yeah.
more fun. As I said, I'm
Hmm.
enjoying my life,
Hmm,
whatever
hmm,
I
hmm.
am,
Yes, sir.
whatever my physical abilities are there. I'm happy with it.
Okay.
अरे I'm this disability. अरे I'm ये दुखी आत्मा नहीं चलेगी.
बिल्कुल सर, इसी से रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन है कि आपने अब किसी इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि कैरिकेचर्स और पॉकेट कार्टून फ्रॉम कार्टूनिंग, सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस,
नहीं,
बेसिक डिफरेंस?
I said people normally they don't know the difference between a caricature and a cartoon.
ओके.
Okay,
Hmm.
that's like as you said, you make a cartoon of yourself.
Yes, sir.
But most of the time, I only do caricature of mine.
Caricatures. Okay.
That is when you are dealing with a person,
Hmm.
single person, his appearance.
Hmm.
You make fun of his appearance,
Hmm.
the way he looks,
Hmm.
and what I mean. When you are doing playing with his physical appearance and
Hmm.
all,
Hmm.
so that becomes a caricature.
Okay.
But when you are adding a story with it,
Hmm.
then it becomes a cartoon.
Cartooning. Okay. Okay.
So that is the difference. When like you said,
Hmm.
like if you ask me to draw a caricature of
Caricature.
you,
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
make I'll
Okay.
take your face, then
Hmm.
your
Hmm.
physical appearance and all,
Okay.
and try to make fun with that
Oh.
those things
Okay.
only.
Okay.
But when I add a story behind you,
Hmm. 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 That
or
becomes.
like yeah, when a story comes along with the picture,
Yes,
then
sir.
it becomes a cartoon.
So, okay, so all those watching, I hope you know what is the difference between caricature and cartooning, just like me.
Yes.
Related to cartooning, it is you have to understand the difference between putting observations into creation or into sketches
Yes.
and not go, like it's like giving the message but hitting the belt but not hitting below the belt. How to bring that balance? Also, what according to you is the boundary for yourself? What have you set any boundary for yourself, like I will not do this, or
I mean,
I
the
will
whole
not go
purpose
beyond?
of making cartoon is to make people laugh,
Okay.
not to make people angry.
Oh.
So in such a way
Hmm.
that like sometimes we a little we get I mean
Did you
what
land
to say.
yourself in problem for doing it?
No, I fortunately, touch wood, I have never gone
Okay.
beyond that line. And
Okay.
as I said, my intention is to make people laugh. I don't want to
Yeah.
criticize
Hmm.
just for
Hmm.
sake of it. I just make people laugh, and
Hmm.
even the cartoon on whom I have done, he also enjoys the cartoon. So my purpose is to send a message with a
Uh,
humor, not to make
okay.
people angry. Sometimes, yes, people do go beyond the limit,
Mm-hmm.
cross the line, and like when you are when you are dealing with religious
Hmm.
sentiment, you should be very careful about it.
Believe that cartoons and comedy both mirror what is going around in the society. So,
Yes.
does that add a pressure on as a professional cartoonist, because you have that pressure of bringing the truth, but in such a way that it does not, like it does not affect, or the meaning doesn't get lost. Also, you have to keep your emotions at touch, check,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
sometimes you may not be happy with what you're told to do. Sometimes you might not believe in that whatever is happening, but you still got to do your work. So what is that?
Yeah, I have come across such things very regularly, but
Hmm.
sometimes I do come across. Uh, yeah, it happens, and I may not be happy about
Hmm.
showing such things. But
Hmm.
then, in this profession today,
Hmm. Hmm.
people the editor is the master of the
Yeah.
the business.
Hmm.
So or yeah, whatever he says, he thinks we have to work accordingly.
Hmm.
And so sometimes, yes, um, we have to make such cartoons, but that is very rarely
Okay. So
done.
there is no added pressure of bringing the truth or mirroring the society.
And that is the reason that in my career graph, you must have seen
Hmm.
that most of the time I'm a freelancer.
Okay, so there's no pressure from the editor side.
Yes,
You
yes.
do environment stuff, you do political stuff, you do. Recently there was Kangana and BMC one. So that is there.
Yes.
Observation will come into it. Which
Mhm.
brings me to your book. You have 4 comics on in your name, and then there's a book
Program
one,
मैंने
which is
पृथ्वीराज का सरगर्म है.
mhm. So that is based on climate changes.
Changes. Yeah. Cartoons also,
Okay.
besides political cartoons.
Mm-hmm.
I have drawn many cartoons on social issues, environment,
Yes, sir.
health,
Water movement is
even
there,
on
sir.
disability also. Even
Okay.
on disability also,
Mm-hmm.
I have drawn cartoons. This Prithviraj Mundagram was a collection of my cartoons, which I
On.
had joined together with a story,
Mm-hmm.
all my published cartoons, and then I
Mm.
had a story attached to it. So with the story, the cartoons are displayed in that.
And when are we going to see another illustration book from you?
Cartoon book. Well, I don't have any project as such
Mm.
in near future, but
Mm.
I'm planning to have an exhibition very soon
Okay, okay, that's great.
of my work.
Mm-hmm.
It may be in Bhubaneswar
Mm.
or maybe in Bangalore.
Okay, so it will be
Physically,
after
yeah,
the coronavirus pandemic is done.
yeah. Yes.
As a person with the creative aspect to himself, who do you get influenced with, or whom do you take inspiration from?
The works of when I was a child,
Mm-hmm.
works of R.K. Lakshman,
Mm.
Mario Miranda,
Yeah,
Sudhir Dal.
yes.
Their work actually had a great impact on me,
Mm-hmm.
and their work. I mean, I started liking cartoons by seeing their work,
Mm.
and I started taking interest in politics by
Okay,
seeing their work.
okay.
From the I mean, I remember I started reading regularly newspaper from class five, standard five,
Okay, okay, okay,
and from then only I started taking interest in knowing what is happening in politics.
okay.
So I remember in Jamshedpur
Mm.
where we used to stay. We were staying in a college campus,
Mm.
and during this election time, the vote this the votings and all vote countings and all
Mm.
this that used to happen in the college where we were the campus where we were staying. So the fun and the musty of elections,
Mm.
I have seen it. So so the
Election is the
politicians,
best time to create.
yeah. At present,
Hmm.
I love Satish's work,
Okay,
Satish Acharya's work.
okay, sir. Okay.
Uh,
So, but you did not tell what did you make when you were seriously ill during your college times, the time when you got published with City Consumer. What did
yeah,
you
yeah.
make then?
My first cartoon. I mean, I was scribbling a lot then because when you are on bed, you have only paper and a book, a
Yeah.
notebook, and a pencil or pen with you.
Hmm.
So the best thing is that start doing something with that, and
Okay.
because for music, so I had a pen and a pencil
Hmm.
and a notebook with me. So I
Okay.
started doodling in that. So
Okay.
I started making caricatures. I
Mm-hmm.
used to do caricatures when I was child, but then I started making caricatures of politicians, film actresses, looking at the newspapers and magazines. Uh, I also made some cartoons, political cartoons. Then I met a person, Mr. Chitra Samant,
Okay.
who was publishing this tabloid. Then he asked me, "Why don't you draw some cartoons
Okay.
for me?"
Hmm.
I said, "What's your newspaper is not political newspaper; it's a consumer
Consume.
awareness,
Yes.
yeah, newspaper. So I mean, it's a tabloid. It was a tabloid.
Tableau. Yes.
So yeah." So he said, "You can also do some cartoons on it."
Mm-hmm.
So
That is how
then
it
I,
all began.
yeah, then I started doing some cartoons on
Yes, sir.
consumer related issues.
Okay.
That's what that is the how I got into this social cartooning.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I
So
started with social
hmm.
cartooning.
Okay, so everyone has to start somewhere. So everyone who's
Yeah,
listening, watching this, please take your pen, take your pencil, whatever you have, just and start scribbling. Just
it's the
start doing it.
minimum. I mean, with minimum like expenses.
Yeah,
A pencil, a notebook.
don't think too much. Just start. You'll land up
Yeah.
somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. You see, I have not gone to any art school,
hmm, yes, sir.
and then but the art was my hobby.
Hmm,
So I kept on script drawing and drawing, and
hmm,
I watch people.
hmm,
Watching people is most interesting thing.
hmm.
You will also enjoy it. Where if you
Yeah.
go into some public place,
Hmm, hmm, hmm,
you look at the people around you,
hmm,
the way they are sitting, the way they are
hmm.
walking.
Yeah.
You will start enjoying it. You will love. I mean, you'll laugh at them, the way,
Hmm,
the
hmm.
style, their look,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
different expressions,
Yeah.
and then those things you will enjoy. And then what I do,
Yeah.
I come back to my pen and paper
Hmm, hmm,
and
hmm. You start
start.
putting it into the paper,
Yeah,
all the
yeah,
ideas on the paper. Okay, so it was a
yeah.
really hearty conversation. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. But before we go,
Same here.
I want to ask you quick questions like, who's your favorite person in the house?
My favorite person was my mother.
Okay, okay, sir.
She is no more,
Okay, sir.
and my father, and
Mhm.
all my brothers and sisters. They're very close to
Do
me.
you want to say anything to them, a message for them if they're watching us?
Yeah, I always tell them because I am today
Hmm.
a cartoonist
Hmm.
only because of their sacrifices.
Hmm. Yes, sir. Your favorite Odia dish? Yes, sir.
Alvarta,
Oh, okay. And your favorite actor?
favorite actor. Well, I'd love to see. I won't miss any of Paris Rawal's film.
Okay, Parish Rawal. He started
Yeah,
the shooting for Hangama
yeah,
2.
Paris Rawal, Amol Palekar.
Okay, great
I love
choices.
all the. I love all comedy films.
Comment. Okay, and
I just cannot having those Mars Hard and the
okay,
love.
yes, sir. Action. Yeah, and
So yeah, that's a very boring part.
okay, and one thing that you're eagerly waiting to do when this pandemic is over.
I eagerly waiting to meet my friends
Okay, KK Bhai.
physically.
KK Bhai is missing
Uh,
his friends.
yes. I
Okay.
eagerly want to meet all
Hmm.
my friends whom
Yeah.
for the last 6 months I could not meet because
Okay.
I am a very social. I love meeting people.
Hmm, hmm.
Evening stay at home
Yes, sir.
is out of question for me, but so far I'm surviving,
Okay.
staying at home.
Necessity. It's a necessity. We all are doing
Yeah,
it. Yeah. But
yeah.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you really very much
It was
for
nice
being
chatting with
here.
you after a long
Yeah, thank you so much,
after.
sir, for your time.